Okay, so last night my niece, or should I say great niece, gave birth to a beautiful baby girl, and her name is Amelia Rose. And in honor of her birth, I want to make her a nightlight. I found these at Dollar Tree, and it has a little light inside. You've probably seen them there. I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to attach it to this little tray that I also seen there. And what I want to do is I want to personalize it with her name and her birth date on there and make her a cute little nightlife. Since her name is Amelia Rose, I thought that's kind of personalized. So anyway, I'm going to paint it with the different shades of pink and white. So we're going to see how it turns out. That's what I plan on doing. Okay, so I painted the base white. I think I'm going to bling it up because it's a little plain Jane for me. But right now, that's the paint. I've laid out the colors, the different shades of pink, and I'm hoping that I can make it where it looks three-dimensional with the colors. I've never done this before, so this ought to be interesting. Okay, so I used the different shades of pink and white, and this is what I come up with. I think it looks kind of cool. I guess it does give it that 3D technique. I also, under that back part, I put it the dark pink, so it kind of looks a little like it's more 3D. I don't know if you could see that, but anyway, it's drying. I like the way it turned out. I'm not a real painter, but I think that looks good. Okay, I have painted the front part of the box a light pink. That's where I want to put the name. And if it fit the birth date, I'm going to use these letters that I got from Dollar Tree. Hopefully, I would really definitely want to get the name on there. And I may put to the sides. I'm not sure the birth date. It depends when I get to that point. I have this pink marble contact paper that I had left over from my dresser. I think I'm going to top that. I think it'll give it like a stone base when I put it on there. Hopefully I can get these wrinkles out of there. But I think it'll give it a nice touch. The rose come out really nice. I like it when I turn the light on. See, that's kind of got a nice look to it. I really think that'll turn out really cute. Okay, I'll show you when we get done. Okay, so I covered the box except for the pink part where I want to put the black and this marble paper. I think that looks good. I may take there's a few rough spots where some creases in the paper. I may take a blow dryer to that and kind of work that out, but I think it's turning out really nice. I'm also going to hedge up the ends with, I can't make up my mind. I have this pink bling wrap that I haven't used for anything, but I think that's a little strong. I think I'm going to go with just your standard, the clear diamond looking faux diamond wrap, bling wrap, whatever you want to call it, around the edges to give it some extra bling. I think that'll be nice. We're getting there. Okay, I've decided to go with this bling wrap. I think that's going to be a prettier finish on there. I also put some tape around the edges. It doesn't show. The bling wrap will cover it, and it keep the rough edges off of it where I cut the contact paper. But this is going to go, I think, just like that. I think it's going to be pretty. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I have the bling wrapped around it. I love the way it looks. I think it gives it a nice extra layer. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There's the back of it. I think that turned out nice. What I decided to do, because I want the nameplate here, but this is so thick that it would take up too much space. It wouldn't leave enough for her name, for the letters to fit in there. So what I think I'm going to do is I have this little strip of bling that I had left over from another project. I'm going to cut it, and I think I'm going to outline the plaque part with that. It'll still give it some shimmer to still tie together, and it'll leave room for the letters. So that's where we stand. Okay, so I outlined that with the bling. I think that looks a lot better. I'm going to go back in, and I'm thinking I'm going to add some rhinestones to the corner and to where I put the joints, because the piece of bling that I had to make some cuts didn't quite go completely across. So where the joints are, I think I want to put some rhinestones. I'll make it where it matches out, but I think that's needed to give it that finished look. Okay, so that's how it looks in the dark. I think that'll be a nice warming comfort feeling for her nursery. I really like how it turned out. Okay, so there she sits, the beautiful Amelia Rose, in honor of my new great niece. I think it turned out beautiful. I hope she likes it, or at least her mother, and her grandmother, and her great-grandmother. Yes, we have the 4 generations now, so this is a great moment for us. Welcome to the world, Amelia Rose.